Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you? I am fine. Also, I want to find also you, everyone. So today, I am walking now and talking with you. Why I am talking with you? Because it is the knowledge sharing ideas. It gives advantage both side, my side and your side also. If you listen such types of knowledge, also you can achieve some better ideas. Also, if give me feedbacks about knowledge sharing ideas, I can understand more and more things in my life. Also, it become a very good in future, because now this time is a age of technology. What are the advantage of technology? We can speak easily, we can read and write, we can listen properly, we can express our thought in front of other people. It will very beneficial for us. I can understand easily what is happening around the globe, what is around happening around the country, what is happening around the state, as well as very near by me and others. So what is the importance of knowledge? You see, those people have a great knowledge in the different sectors. They are doing a practice more and more regularly, and those have no such types of knowledge. They can't satisfy, as well as they can't earn more and more money in future. They doing their only time pass in their life. It is not good for us as well as everyone, because if we know what is the meaning of our life, so learning and becoming a skillful person in the various side, it's very important for everyone. Because you see, why people are sending their children in school? Because they want, in which process that student acquire more and more knowledge in the different sectors, like mathematics, languages, and humanities, science, commerce, and another side of knowledge. So also, if you want to become a fluent in languages, so it take time. Without practice, how you will become a fluent in English language and other languages? So it's take a time by the help of speaking continuously with co-learners at front of class. Also, watching television and podcast, and reading newspapers and articles, and understanding thought, sharing by expert, and doing a daily exercise, taking a test for understanding better language. So it's a regular task. So everybody have his goal. Somebody want to acquire different types of skill. Also, the speaking skills is a very important for everyone in their life. Those have such types of skill, they can achieve a very well job, as well as they can express themselves very easily in front of other people, in front of worldwidely. So language, understanding language is a very important skill. It gives us more and more exposure. So continuously practice make perfect people. We know in Indian people are not native English speaker, but it take a time. Whenever they want become a fluent speaker, so If they are doing such types of activity regularly, they will finally become a very advanced speaker, like a native speaker. So they will get a good opportunity to take job worldwidely. Now our youth are doing such types of practice regularly. They want to job worldwidely, like USA, England, Japan, and another countries. They want to become a doctor, they want to become a teacher, they want to become an engineer. So if they achieve English language, if they become a fluent, then they will provide their skill in that country, and they get very good types of salary and packages by the help of language also. So without language, they can't express their skill in front of worldwidely. So it is a very important for everyone. Speaking skill is very necessary while they are presenting their presentation in front of expert. So it will very helpful, become a importance for this time, because if they haven't know how to present their presentation in front of expert reject such types of candidate in future, because they haven't know such types of skill and ideas how to present their knowledge in front of other people. So now I am doing a practice. So you give me some extra motivation if I become a fluent speaker in near future. If you have a more ideas how I will become a fluent speaker, please give me comments and give me your ideas. I follow it. If you know better than me, so I will follow it surely in future. So it is a target of it is my target how I will become a fluent speaker. It's take a time. So please give me feedback and comment what types of English I am talking in front of you. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you again later.